Introducing DFT's Restrictor Check Valve, available in 1/4 inch to 2.5 inch line size at pressures of 450 to 2,500 pounds per square inch. Featuring durable stainless steel construction, containing spring-assisted silent closing with 2 to 40 pounds per square inch cracking pressures, and a precision-lapped disc and seat for tight metal-to-metal shutoff, providing reliable higher cracking pressure control for liquids and gases. The Restrictor Check Valve delivers reliable low-maintenance performance with non-slam operation, installs in any orientation, and as a note, it is not a substitute for a pressure relief valve. Visit us online at dft-valves.com to view our complete selection of check valves.